If you're living in California and tired of paying crazy prices for car insurance, this is something you need to see. Because in 2026, car insurance in California is still expensive, but if you know where to look, you can save a lot of money. So the real question is, what are the cheapest car insurance options in California right now? In this video, I'll break down 5 of the cheapest car insurance companies in California for 2026. Who they're best for and how you can choose the right one. Let's get into it. First up, we have Geico. Geico is one of the most popular options in the US. And for good reason. It's known for very competitive pricing, easy online quotes, good discounts. If you're a safe driver or have a clean record, Geico is often one of the cheapest options available. They also offer discounts for good students, military members, bundling policies, so if you qualify for those, you can save even more. Next is State Farm. Is a great option if you want a balance between price and service. It's especially good for young drivers, people who prefer working with local agents. They also have programs that reward safe driving, which can lower your premium over time. Now let's talk about Progressive. Progressive is known for flexibility. It offers usage-based insurance, customizable coverage, competitive pricing for higher-risk drivers. So, if you don't have a perfect driving record, Progressive might actually be one of your cheapest options. Next up is Mercury Insurance. This one is very popular in California specifically. Mercury often provides lower than average rates in CA, good coverage options, solid customer service. It's a strong option if you want something local and affordable. And finally, we have Insuarnce Insurance. This company is known for offering some of the lowest rates in California, especially for good drivers. However, it's a bit more selective. So if you have a clean driving history, this could be one of the best deals you'll find. Now here's something very important. The cheapest insurance is not the same for everyone. Your price depends on things like your age, driving record, location, type of car. That's why you should always compare quotes before choosing. Now, here are a few quick tips to save even more money. First, increase your deductible if you can afford it. Second, bundle your insurance policies. Third, maintain a clean driving record. And fourth, check for discounts regularly. Now let's wrap this up. If you're looking for cheap car insurance in California in 2026, your best options to start with are Geico, State Farm, Progressive, Mercury Insurance, and Insuarnce. Each one has its strengths, so the best choice depends on your situation. If this helped you, let me know. How much are you currently paying for car insurance?